Umugabana we county ya Gusii Paul Arati nigolit kuri rero anyara ko bagakora umurubiri wo kwenana ebintu biraje kunyaka bigo konya community health promoters egera banyako baba bakora imirimo yabo asincire bwenderete gorengana na Arati nigatebire nonya bakwewa engerienge nigabekire mirubiri mikirano yugo chikwene kingamba chikonyora engere yabo ase e budget y'umwaka olebosio.
I'm happy to preside over the launch of the kits for our community health promoters, CHPs. Here in Gusii County, we have prioritized community health services. So the issuance of CHP kits and funds will go a long way in improving service in the area of promoting, rehabilitating and preventive health services through the CHPs, who are our first line of defense in healthcare. This means that the CHP's initiative is the only sustainable way in achieving universal health coverage with minimum cost.
Umurugi bomokonyi bomurai bwensu moske Dorcas Gashawa niganyaka bagawe kirna sensemeyo nere otogirie ebitambukiro nabo igo omokia bwa CHPs abasatebire nonya bakwaye ngerienge nonya bakwewe ngerienge niko bakora imirimo ebwenderete abaso mugabana tebire nigaraje kunyaka bagakwenekia mbanya ko bakubekwa asincire bwenderete na ucyake bene umurubiro yobo kwenana na kwenana ebaraje kutumeka asomuriro yo gwikirania obokorere bwabo ko reporter ya Oyominto TV kuri county ya Gusii Return Pethuel Machin nonya bakwewe ngerienge niko bakora imirimo ebwenderete abaso mugabana tebire nigaraje kunyaka bagakwenekia mbanya ko bakubekwa asincire bwenderete na ucyake bene umurubiro yobo kwenana ebyo baraje kunyaka babutumeka asobukorere
CHPs bado mnasimama wima imara na afya watu wetu mashinani. Lakini ningetaka kuongea juu ya CHPs. Hawa ni watu ambao nimewajua wamejitolea mhanga katika nyumba zetu, katika vijiji zetu, watu wakapona. Kwa sababu nyinyi hata sio mambo ya pesa, kwa sababu hata kama mtapewa stipends, I am very sure that stipend is not enough for the sacrifice you make.
CHP generations, and this is important, the county government commenced the payment of CHP's stipends as way of motivating them. The national government has made plans to enhance this stipend by an additional of 2,500 shillings per CHP per month.
But I can tell you for free, there is a God in heaven who pays people. What you have done, and I see the kids that you have here, it is going to prevent. Kwa sababu kuzuia ni bora kuliko kuponya.
Kwa reporter ya Oyominto TV kuri county ya Gusii Return Pethuel Machin.